Hi everyone, welcome to Salesforce Textbook. Today we are going to discuss the topic is mock interview, 13th session. We are going to discuss few more mock interview questions. Before we start, please stay healthy, stay safe, and please go through WHO website for latest information on COVID-19 outbreak and what we are going to discuss. See here, let's start with the first question. Before I am going to answer these questions, you just think about it, okay? And you can match while I am answering these questions, whether you are correcting or whether you are able to answer this kind of questions or not, okay? Let's see. Can you name few events supported by streaming API subscription mechanism? Can you name few events supported by streaming API subscription mechanism? First question. The second question is, which base components implements or leverage the benefits of Lightning data service to create or update records in Aura component programming model without using Apex class? The third question is, can we use styles in VF page from Lightning design system, or can we include Lightning design system styles or CSS in VF page? On which standard objects we can't define or create a trigger in Salesforce user interface? Okay, that means a trigger can be defined or created on object level from setup, or you can use IDE to create trigger, or you can use developer console also. But on user interface, we can't create triggers on specific objects, on few standard objects. What are those? Think about it. And which method we have to use to publish platform event in Apex? Okay, think. Now, I'm going to start answers. Can you name few events supported by streaming API subscription mechanism? We have different kind of events: platform events, change data capture events, push topic events, and generic events. These four events will be supported by streaming API subscription mechanism. Streaming API's subscription mechanism. Okay, if you don't know about streaming API, you just open streaming API documentation from Salesforce. You can get to know. It will be useful for real-time notifications. Okay, for everything there is a different kind of behavior in these events: platform events and change data capture events, push topic events, and generic events. You can get to know deeply about this. Now, which base components implements or leverage Lightning data service to create or update records in Aura component programming model? One is record form. It will be useful for display, create, or update records. Another one is record view form. It is useful for displaying the record with the help of output fields. And record edit form, it will be helpful for creating and editing records or updating the records. And record data. This is going to helpful to display, to create, edit, and delete records also with the standard methods from Lightning data service. Okay, and it is not going to generate any user interface. You have to design your own user interface, whatever you want. Okay, so here again I'm saying Lightning record form, record view form, record update, record edit form, record data. These are all the base components implements Lightning data service to create to or update your records without using Apex class. Now, can we use styles in VF page, or can we include CSS styles from Lightning design system in VF page, Visual Force page? Yes, it is possible. And I already explained in one of the video how we can use Lightning design system styles in Visual Force page under the playlist of Visual Force of Salesforce Textbook channel. You can go through that and you can learn there. Now, on which standard objects we can't define or create a trigger in the Salesforce user interface? Okay, attachments, attachment, content document, and note. Attachment, content document, and note object. These are all standard objects where you can't define triggers on user interface. Okay, Salesforce user interface. This is simple question basically, and you can try. Now, which method we have to use to publish platform event in Apex? To publish platform event in Apex, you have to use event bus.publish method. Publish method of event bus. You have to use to publish a platform event in Apex. See here, if you see, for example, account notification as an event and attributes are fields or location, okay, and you just need to use event bus publish event bus.publish act note obj. However, we use database.save result to publish event. You have to use event.publish, okay, and here you can have list of s objects or single s object to publish, okay. And this is about MarketW 13, and think about it and match your answers, and you can practice streaming API also. Streaming API, one of the important thing, you can go through that. Okay, all the best. Please subscribe to Salesforce Techbook channel.